Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So it's a beautiful sunny day here out on the flower farm, and we're getting some watering done here. Now we do have drip irrigation in here. We have the soaker hoses, but I'm using the watering wand today. I want to get any dust that would be on the leaves and on the foliage of my plants off, because dust and dry conditions can equal spider mites, and we don't want to have any issues with those. So we're just getting this watered here, getting the foliage kind of washed off. And this is also a good time to check for any signs of any type of diseases. There's a leaf right there that needs to come off on our dusty miller. So we're going to be taking that off. And we're going to be looking for any aphids, any other types of pests. So when your plants are outside and it rains, the rain helps to wash the dust off, and it also helps to wash pests and different things off. But these here are growing inside, so we're just taking the watering wand here, kind of going through and just getting everything watered down here for today. Some of this is a little bit of fertilizer burn. My dad's chestnut trees are there. He tried growing chestnuts this year from the seeds that he collected off of his trees, and they're growing. So we're going to let this soak in here. I don't see any ants, which is a good thing because ants farm aphids. And this here was already watered some. Yes, it did knock some of these down, but they will stand back up. And that'll also help sturdy the stems up. Now you don't want to do this when it's close to nightfall. This is in the morning here. You can see the sun is just starting to come on this greenhouse here. And I'm looking for any signs. We have some leaves that need to come off. Looking for any signs of aphids. So this right here, right there, is one of our predatory wasps has laid its egg in this aphid, and it turned it into what they call an aphid mummy. So when this hatches out, it will be another one of our predatory wasps, is what they call them, in here. And they lay their eggs in the aphids when they're alive, turns the aphid into a mummy, and then when it hatches out, they help to keep the aphids under control. So we have some aphid nymphs on this one here. They need to be addressed and dealt with. We have a little bit of black mold on that. That came from the aphids. And this is going to get moved outside. This is our big dahlia, the one, the dahlia that I had shown earlier this year when I was putting it in this black container here, when I was starting the tubers off. You can see how large this thing got. So the danger of frost is past. This is going to get moved outside. We have a little bit of leaf miner damage there, and I'll talk more about them in another video. So I'm going to get back to watering here. I hope that you found this video helpful. Some people choose to use drip irrigation outside in their flower farm or in their vegetable garden. There's multiple different ways and different benefits. You definitely don't want to do this at night, because you want to make sure that your foliage dries before nightfall comes, because if it doesn't, that can set you up for all different types of blights and diseases, and we don't want anything like that. So this will dry before nightfall, and they want it really warm today. They want it, I think it's in like the 80s or high 70s. So this will definitely dry in here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button to notify us I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!